This is Project Road, an E.C.D Defender 90 built to our client's exact specifications. Project Road is finished in full gloss Arles blue with black accents. Project Road sits on 16-inch Land Rover Tornado wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 90 features a 4-point external roll cage, classic front bumper, 2 Hella 500 series driving lamps up front and 1 spot lamp at the rear. Inside, Project Road features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau front seats and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather stitched together in Sumang. Project Road is powered by a GM LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 also features an array of modern elements, JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to charging points throughout.